Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Breakdance Tutorial. In this channel you can find a lot of tutorial about breakdance from basic to advanced. So sharing is caring. Before jumping into the tutorial, if you are first time in my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notification first. This is BB Chicken Roast representing TLBC, and now in this tutorial, today we are gonna learn advanced top rock, up rock, so you can use in your battlefield. Okay, before that, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I show you the two different advanced top rock, so I'm gonna break it down in a one step by step. Okay guys, for this move you have to grab your leg and you have a slide. Okay, slide, put down, kick. So while you kick, your right leg, your left leg is kick and right leg is slide in one hand. Okay, like this. Okay. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, a bit speed. Okay, so your hand will be freestyle. You want to grab your head or like this or with anything. Okay, so we do the both sides. So, and then same. Speed, put down. You have to kick. While you kick, slide. Okay, hook, hook, hook. Okay, so from right leg, down, left leg, down, right leg. Okay, so with a big speed. Hook, 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 hook. Okay, for the second move, you have to add a CC plus hook. Okay? CC, hook. CC, hook. Okay? So, first one CC. So, guys, if you don't know how to do a CC, then please go into my channel or I will link in the description. Okay? So, one CC, hook, put down, and then continue with the second CC, hook, okay, again, one CC and hook, one CC, hook, put down, second CC, hook, put down and continue, okay, with the speed, okay, so make sure your leg is in a hook, okay, hook. So about your hand is your freestyle. So you want like this or grab a hat or your t-shirt. Okay. Open your arm. It's your freestyle, guys. Okay guys. I have taught you that two different advanced top rock, up rock. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question or any comment, please comment below. If you like my video, then please thumbs up. And please share this video to other friends so they can learn something from me. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel guys. Anything I got is yours. Sharing is caring. Peace. Hip hop is for real. BB Chicken Roast. See you on next tutorial.